Hello there, my friends of music. I'm the Marquis, the music, but you can call me Martin. And welcome back to another waction. Today, first time to Blackbriar. This is a gothic rock metal band from the Netherlands, when I've saw it right. And their topics are mostly related to fairy tales and fantasy, and this makes me excited because it's always great. I love fantasy and stuff, and mixing it with gothic element. I'm also a goth, so all this came together, and they released for 2 weeks a new song called Cicada. And I thought I'm just gonna start with this. I don't know how this bandwidth sounds like and how it is, so please enjoy. Yeah. Feel the gothic vibes already. Fairy tale. Nice.
Would you turn me into a cicada so I can finish your song? When I vanish into melody, never return, far gone. Would you turn me into a cicada so I can finish your song? When I vanish into melody, would you give me just those and twins, and I will finish your song when summer begins.
This was freaking excellent. Exactly not what I expected, but what I thought of when I read a little bit in the information about them. Her voice. Holy, this is the most sweetest and haunting voice I've ever heard. When she goes in her higher tones, and this also her tone, really so pure. She sounds so pure and elegant, and then with the heavy music, this is a contrast I freaking adore. I love contrasts in music, especially metal, as I'm a musician myself, and also a music lover. I enjoy and listen to so many different music styles, but I have my favorites, and gothic, everything what has the gothic feel to it is on here with the strings, with the orchestral symphonic vibes, and then the metal, really gothic rock, gothic metal, and then her voice, the video. Also, I love the video. In the end, the music is an important thing, and so this is what has been supporting, and here I feel it. It's beautiful. It's captivated. It had me. The first section I heard the notes and then her singing, and also I knew it was coming when she was going, just her voice, and I liked it. So the first time that I hear only her voice, and then of course for the end the chorus coming again in, I love it. The thing, of course, I knew it would happen, but it's still great when you have like a little break and then come back. So it's like, I always adore it. Always adored when it's not when there's some break into it. And this was cool. This was great. For me, they have also something unique. I mean, in other bands, they have the gothic or they have this metal era. You have like sometimes operatic voices, really deep in your face voices. When you have like Nightwish or Epica and stuff. But having this is so amazing. That really make me like, oh, this is great. This is not what I expected, and I like also that we have no growls in it. It's amazing when you have just heavy music and then this beautiful voice. And for me, it's always like when I listen to music, the lyrics is second time. When I watch it second time, first I focusing on the music, on the sound and everything. I had the feeling that in the chorus, the music was overthrowing her vocals a little bit. So I thought, okay, now would I focus on the lyrics, I wouldn't understand nothing, but so it was more like an instrument. But still, first time hearing it, already I'm into it. Like the sound, like the music video, her voice, the vocals, everything about it is aesthetic, and definitely I'm gonna check out more Blackbriar in the future, because this was really cool. So thank you very much for watching, and when you also like this, support this band. As always, all links in the video descriptions, and of course here in the end screen. So, goodbye!